guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do this very elegant, simple and quick makeup look which you can take from day to night in just 5 minutes. But before we start, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below and do like the video as well. So I'm starting by using my primer. I'm using a Smashbox primer. And I'm just going to concentrate towards the center of my face and blend it outwards. Once that's done, I am mixing two of my current favorite foundations. One is MAC, which I use a lot, and my current obsession is Fenty Beauty. The foundation lays very well on the face. You do not need a lot and it looks really natural. So I am just going to buff it in, and don't worry, wo jo ek line reh gayi hai, I did manage to buff it in. Now I'm using my NARS creamy concealer and I'm just putting it under my eye, around the mouth. The same drill, wherever you feel you have a little darker area, put it and staple it. So सबसे important है कि आप ये concealer को drag नहीं करना, just staple करना है, stipple करना है. Okay, so next I am taking my Laura Mercier powder, which is translucent, and I put it under the eye. And now I am on to my favorite Maybelline loose powder. I am just going to buff it in my skin, and yeah, this will keep all the oils at bay and I will not look like a disco ball. I am going to get rid of any excess powder on my face before moving on. And next I'm going to use another powder. It's a glow powder by Laura Mercier. It works very well. It looks really nice and pretty, so it'll give you that really natural glowing from within kind of a glow. Next I'm using my Inglot powders. Now this is a Inglot kit which I am absolutely loving. You can just get a palette and add whatever you want to it. So I'm using that bronzy kind of a color because I need the tan look today. I have that on. I'm going to buff it in so that it looks natural and I don't have those random lines going on my face. Next I'm using this highlighter with a fan brush, which you'll just see ki workout nahi hua, so I went in and I used another brush because it's a very natural highlight and you need a good brush, like a thicker brush like I'm using here, to make sure that it's all nice and blended. Next I'm coming in with my Oriflame Pearl blusher. This is such a beautiful blusher. I love it. Next I am using my Anastasia highlighters and I'm just highlighting my collarbones and a little teeny pop on my cheek as well because I love me some highlight. Next I did my brows really quick off the camera and I used my Sugar Cosmetics brow definer, and we are on to eyes. Now this is a very quick like eyeshadow look. I'm going to take a very light color, जो भी आपके skin से बहुत match करता हो वो ले लीजिए, and just place it above the crease. And then I'm going in with this rusty orangey color and I'm going to place it on the crease and the outer V, and I'm going to blend it very well before moving on to the next step. So you don't really need this exact palette. I think ये colors sub palettes में होते हैं. Maybelline has a really good palette with these colors, so आप वो भी use कर सकते हैं. Next I'm using this glittery kind of a color and I'm going to just place it on the entire eye. And हाँ जी, मैंने बाद में जाके वो एक छोटा सा बम जहाँ मैं कलर नहीं लगाया था वो मैंने करेक्ट कर लिया था. So yeah, using the same color again, I'm blending the glitter shadow. And then I'm using the same glitter on the inner corner and also on the lower lash line. And then I will come in with that rusty color again and just use a smudge brush and smudge it on the lower lash line so it looks nice and smoky. I am just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. I am not using any false lashes for this look. And by this mascara by Forever 52 is just so good. It is amazing. By the way, मैं सोच रही हूँ एक वीडियो करने का जिसमें अपनी टॉप फेवरेट मस्कारास के बारे में बताऊँ, so you can watch out for that. So for day look I am using this the Body Shop's it's not a liquid lipstick, it's a glowing, it's not even like gloss, it's like a liquid lipstick with gloss. It is beautiful. And for night time I'm using this Estee Lauder's red color. Now this has a little bit of sheen which looks fabulous and really elegant. So here is the look. It looks really elegant, it looks boho chic and I absolutely love it. If you like it as well, do leave a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.